Welcome to Borough Market, a place where the past meets the present, where centuries of trade echo through iron arches and cobbled lanes. But did you know this vibrant food haven is over 1,000 years old? Let's dive into the rich, incredible history of one of London's oldest and most iconic markets. The story of Borough Market begins during the time of the Romans, just south of the River Thames. Southwark sat at a major crossroads of trade routes like Watling Street, perfect for merchants and farmers to sell their goods. By the 11th century, records show a market thriving near the foot of London Bridge, right where Borough Market stands today. Through the Middle Ages, Borough Market became essential to London life, just outside the city walls and beyond the reach of strict city laws. It grew fast, bustling with fishmongers, farmers, and bakers selling to locals and travelers alike. In 1550, the City of London formally took control of Southwark, recognizing Borough Market as a key trading post. But by the 1700s, things got a little hectic. Congestion near the bridge became so bad that Parliament shut the market down in 1754. The people didn't give up, though. Just 2 years later, locals raised funds and reopened the market on a nearby site, the one it still occupies today. And in true community spirit, they placed it under a charitable trust to serve the people of Southwark forever. The industrial age brought big changes. The arrival of railways turned Borough Market into a hub of wholesale trade, supplying London with fruits, vegetables, and goods from across Britain. Iron and glass structures were built, many of which still stand today, giving the market its iconic look. After World War II, Borough Market began to fade. Supermarkets, changing food habits, and urban development took a toll. By the 1980s, the market was quiet, a shadow of its former self. Some feared it might disappear forever. But the market was about to be reborn. In the 1990s, passionate food lovers brought life back to Borough Market. They shifted the focus to quality, sustainability, and artisanal products. Slowly, stalls returned, selling fresh bread, organic cheeses, spices, and global street food. Word spread, foodies came. Borough Market was back. Today, Borough Market is more than just a food market. It's a cultural destination, a culinary classroom, and a place where history is literally baked into the bread. It's been featured in blockbuster films like Harry Potter, Bridget Jones, and Lock, Stock, and Two Smoking Barrels. But even with fame, it stays true to its roots, owned by a charitable trust, supporting independent traders, and serving the local community. From Roman times to the Instagram age, Borough Market has stood the test of time, adapting, surviving, thriving. It's not just a market, it's living history. Next time you're in London, don't just visit Borough Market, taste its story.
You've actually scrapped it. What if you killed it? automaton. A punch control. Really? Good.
Not the same jeans. No, yours are really
Oh my god, the crowd.
Oh, wait, we can do very crowded. Yeah.
Come back.
It's still be crowded.
Oh, man.
It's very involved, but worth it.
Number 18.
आज मंडे है तो नहीं खुला हुआ।
Yeah, and then she's got. It's much. Victorian. And she like. It's really.
Şey Arap o.
Wahrscheinlich in die andere Richtung.
Und du hättest sehen müssen.
Genau.
I'm sorry guys, too long. Yeah, yeah.